Hey guys, it's Ollie, Lolly, Pop! So today we are going to make no-bake brownie bites. So first we're going to need crushed biscuits, condensed milk, cocoa powder, vanilla essence, and some butter. And the utensils you'll need is a spoon to mix, a bowl, a tablespoon, and a teaspoon. So let's start. So guys, we actually used these biscuits and we used a rolling pin to crush and we made powder. So we used about 5 to 10 biscuits. So if you'd like your brownie bites to look like they have small nuts in them, you can not make it completely crushed into a fine powder. But anyways, once you're done crushing it, you open your Ziploc bag, take your bowl, and then pour in all of that biscuit crumb. Then what you've got to do is add about like 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to this mixture. 1 and 2. So now you are going to add some condensed milk. So now you just need some condensed milk to start. Okay. So now that we've added the condensed milk, we are going to add about half a tablespoon of butter. Now the butter is so that the brownie bites doesn't stick. Otherwise your dough will be super sticky. So now you mix all the ingredients together. At first it may just look like a big ball of cocoa powder, but just give it some time and you will have a pretty good dough soon. Then you've got to add some vanilla essence. And now we're going to make the dough. So guys, you will soon get this soft dough, and if it's far too sticky, you can try adding a little more butter. So anyways, once you've created this dough, set the bowl aside and take small pinches of dough and you can create whatever shape you'd like. But whatever shape you create, use your hands, because if you use cookie cutters or stuff like that, it all just gets a big ball of mess. So once you're done making the shapes, you have to chill them for a while. And we'll see you when they're chilled. This is how our brownie bites turned in the end, and that's pretty much it for this brownie bites video. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!